When you're packing for a backpacking trip, one of the most important things to do is maximize your space. You want to, I should be wearing a shirt. Let's try that again. You're gonna be doing a lot of unpacking, repacking, folding. Joe has a technique utilized by him and by me, and it's called ranger rolling. We're gonna show you how to make your shirts as small and as tight as possible, the most efficient way to pack them into cubes.
So what you do is take a t-shirt, grab the bottom, the open part, and roll it down about 3 or 4 inches. That little bit of a roll there. Make sure it's even. This will help in the end, trust me. Any American bill is 6 inches wide.
We go hard, so we're using a C note.
You put it right in the middle of your shirt. Take this side of the shirt. The edge of your roll is the edge of the bill. Other side, same thing. This sleeve, and just fold it in so you have an even surface here. Start from the top, tight roll, and keep rolling. What you're gonna get is this folded part that you made on the outside. Take the folded part, as you're pinching it against the shirt, you unfold it and you wrap it around the shirt itself. So now when you throw your clothes around, it stays tight and wrapped. If you pack this in a packing cube, you'll be able to fit, 6 or 8 of these in a very small cube.